Ni ndege iria ikuhuthika hari utari wa nyamu nyanjara-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini niguo gutuithania utonga wa bururi uria wegemaine na nyamu cia githaka makiria njogu, mbogo, giraffe na wambui micore. Akiruguria tabarire no runyanjara-ini rwa Shamba kaunti-ini ya Isiolo, Minista wa maria maturigiciirie Judy Wakhungu ni augite utari uyu ni uguteithia hari gutuithania gikiro kiria nyamu iroragwo nakio ni andu.
We need space for our wildlife, for our conservation practices. We believe that people and wildlife can coexist. This exercise is going to allow us to establish the corridors, for example, that wildlife favor, and then also where to map our human settlements, so that the communities can benefit from the conservation of the wildlife.
Niguo Wakhungu ni augite hamwe na maria maracungiriria ngurutano gatagati ka nyamu na andu ni wongerereku wa andu, bata wa gwetha uikaro na oho gucenjia kwa riera.
75% of our tourism is wildlife based. The beneficiaries of those tourism revenues should be and ought to be the communities that live with that wildlife. So this is also an incentive for people to conserve their wildlife. And I think that this exercise is very important because it's going to inform the policy of how we move forward.
Reserves are under the management of county governments. I urge the county governments to allocate resources for the management of Samburu, Buffalo Springs, and Shaba reserves to be able to help towards the conservation and sustainable management of the same.
Utari wa nyamu wa mwaka uyu ugwikwo thiini wa makiria ma hektea milioni 6 na uria ugwikwo nyanjara-ini iria ikoragwo kaunti-ini cia Isiolo, Meru, Samburu, Marsabit na Laikipia kwa ihinda ria thikũ 10.
Given the other censuses that we've done in places like Savos and Amboseli, we anticipate either an increase in the numbers of wildlife or maintaining. But for this particular ecosystem, we're really keen to find out what the effects of that drought have been.
Utari utoyo ni wikitwo nyanjara-ini cia Savo na Amboseli. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita kama wa Mwangi.